Hello Amazon sellers, welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. Today we have a very exciting video lined up for you as we dive back into the world of Amazon FBA and specifically online arbitrage. In this video we're going to be showing you 5 more of the best sourcing websites which you can use to find your online arbitrage deals. This is if you're in the UK, and as well as that we'll be showing you an actual deal which you'll be able to buy and sell on Amazon. Now this is actually part 3 of this series, so we'll link the older ones below so you can check them out as well. In this video today, they're more than likely going to be websites you haven't heard from before because they are the smaller sites, but don't think these aren't great websites for sourcing. We'll probably end up doing a part 4 as well, just because there really is that many videos out there. So if you're looking to boost your profits and find great deals, stay tuned. Now before we get into the list of websites, let's quickly go through what Amazon FBA and what online arbitrage is for those who don't know. So firstly, Amazon FBA, that stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and what this means is you buy products, you send them into Amazon's warehouse. They're going to store them for you, they're going to advertise them for you, they're going to sell them for you, they're going to send them out to your customer. When you do sell them, they're going to deal with all of the customer service with the returns. So it really is a great business model. It's really hands off. Your only real work is finding your products, sending them into Amazon's warehouse, and it means you can have quite a large business without needing too many outgoings. You don't need a big warehouse, you don't need loads of staff, so it really is a fantastic business model. That's a type of sourcing products, and what it means is you're buying products from retailers. So online arbitrage means you're buying it from online retailers. So if you're in the US, it's going to be Walmart. If you're in the UK, it might be Tesco, it might be Smith's, for example. And this is a great method, especially for new sellers. You don't have to buy a huge quantity of products. You can buy 5, 10, 15 units, send them into Amazon's warehouse, sell them, and then reinvest your profits and slowly grow. If you're looking at methods like wholesale or private label, it is going to be a lot more cash incentive. So doing the arbitrage method is a great way of starting Amazon FBA. So without further ado, let's get into 5 more of the best websites for online arbitrage sourcing here in the UK. So on to website number 1, and you should be able to see my screen. We have Cult Beauty. So this is obviously a beauty website, but they have a fantastic range of beauty products, which is why we like it. So let's show you an actual deal we found from this website, and it is this Inky List Vitamin C Brightening Hair Treatment 50 milliliter. So we can buy this for £5. Now let us show you the listing on Amazon, and you can get an understanding of how online arbitrage works for Amazon FBA. So we're buying this for £5. If we head over to Amazon, we can see it's selling for £15.82. So it's over triple the price, which is always the first thing we're looking for. We need to make sure that we're buying it for less than we're selling it for. So ideally we want it a minimum of double. So if we're buying it for £5, we want it to be £10 on Amazon, so that takes into account our fees. So on this one, we've got almost triple that. Now, of course, there is a lot more to it than just you buy it for less, you sell it for more. You have to check the data. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a good deal. So let's show you on the Profitl Chrome extension, which you can use to analyze your Amazon FBA deals. So let me quickly run you through the data on this one. Listing sales, 7 to 27 units a month. So not a crazy seller, but that's not a problem. We'll check out our competition. So 3 other FBA sellers. All important profit, £5.62. Return on investment, 108%. And we always use the return on investment metric as opposed to profit. The profit will depend on how much we're buying the item for. So we're getting £5.62 profit on this, which is brilliant. But if we were spending £100 on a purchase, that wouldn't be so good. So we're always looking for a return on investment. Ideally, we want 30% as a minimum. Gives us a bit of wiggle room on our prices as well, because prices do change a lot on Amazon. So on this one, we'll get 108%, which is just fantastic. Now moving on to website number 2, which you can use to source more online arbitrage deals. And this website is called Ideal World. So again, you may not have heard of this one, but they have a brilliant range of products. They do loads of different types of products, and it just shows you don't need to focus on just the largest retailers, Argos, Smiths, Tesco's, B&M. You really can find products absolutely everywhere. So let's show you an actual deal from this website. This one is this Morphy Richards Control Hand Blender, which we can buy for £12.99. So this is actually a discounted one, and this is where you will find a lot of your deals. They end up being discounted products, or there's a offer on them, or you can get a discount code. So this one we can buy for £12.99, and if we head over to Amazon, we can see it selling on there for £24.99. So this one is probably not going to be a huge profit on it, but we thought we'd show you it anyway because there's loads of deals just like this. So let's run you through all the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. First up, the sales. We can see this listing sells over 1,000 a month. Now, what's important to note here that this is a variation product. So that is for listing sales. So that's split across all the variations. But what we can actually do is we can come down to here on Profitl and we can check the view variation sales estimate. So this one actually gets in 20% of the sales. So it's selling between 238 to 365 times a month. So that's absolutely brilliant. Now, profit wise, 39%. So fine with us, £5.13 profit per unit, and only one other FBA seller on this listing. And of course, we would always check the graphs to make sure there's no risk of an IP violation. So we'll look at the number of sellers on the listing and its history, look to see if there's been a big drop off. All this analyzing today. When we do actually buy a product, we do go into things in a lot more detail, but this is just to show you the basics of Amazon FBA. Now, before we get into website number 3, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which can save you some money on your Profitl subscription. So we'll make it pop up just up here. It's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans. Yearly plans already have over 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down. And if you were looking to start your Amazon FBA journey with Profitl, that's going to save you some cash. We have so many different features. We have our deal analyzer, we have our deal finder, we have our FBA course, our wholesale scanner. There's so much to what we do. So if you are looking to start Amazon FBA, we hope you do start with Profitl, and that discount code will save you some money. So moving on to website number 3, and again, this is probably one you haven't heard of. It is In Demand Toys. So as the name says, this website sells toys, mostly sci-fi and superhero toys, which of course are always popular on Amazon. So we do have a deal to show you, and it is this Marvel Legends Black Panther toy, which we can buy for £9.99. So another discounted one, typically £23.99. Now let's head over to Amazon and we can see it sells for £19.20, so just under double, but that should be fine for us. So let's check it out on the Profitl Chrome extension. So first up, the sales, 18 to 28 units a month, which is absolutely great for us. Estimated profit per unit, £3.28, 32%, so not a crazy seller. Would of course check the price to see if it's a high price now, a low price, and so on. Now what you will notice as well on this product is that Amazon are on the buy box. So what we do in this case is we go onto the price graphs, and the price graphs are very important to understand how they work. We'd see if Amazon have ever shared the buy box. So all we'll leave buy box, Amazon, and toggle all the rest. So we can see that Amazon have actually shared the buy box at points, even when it did have stock. So there's a time here when Amazon have been sharing it, also here as well. So we can see that you can compete against Amazon on this listing. Of course, some people would avoid competing against Amazon, but if they are sharing it, there's absolutely no reason why you can't also sell on a listing. But of course, you do need to be a little bit more careful. So onto website number 4, and you most probably have heard of this one because they have high street shops as well, and it is Smiggle. And Smiggle is great for Amazon FBA. They're often running sales on their website. You can pick up some right bargains, which are selling for more on Amazon. So it's a really good place to source your products from. Of course, it's all their own branded products. You're not going to find other brands from here, so you may need to get ungated to be able to sell these. Let us show you a product from Smiggle. So this one is this pencil case, which we can buy for £8. So it was £13.50, then it was £10, now it's £8. It's got a few colours as well, which I know are also selling well on Amazon, but we'll just show you this pink one today. So buying for £8, selling on Amazon for £18.95. So a nice pricing difference just there. So let's check it out on Profitl. So first up, sales 6 to 16 a month, so not a crazy seller, but it's making a decent profit, £5.27, return on investment 64%. There is 9 other FBA sellers on this listing, so of course we check how much stock they have. Not terrible, not the best. Some people may avoid this product, but as I say, there's loads of products on Smiggle which you can source your products from, so it doesn't mean you need to buy this one. Just check out the sales section, there's loads of great deals on there. So now moving on to the 5th and final website, and this one is Hobbycraft. So you probably have heard of this website, but they have a fantastic range of craft supplies, kids items, really brilliant catalogue of products. And the product we're going to be showing you from this website is this Simplicity Stuffed Animals sewing pattern, which we can buy for £4.90. Another discounted one, so typically £9.80. So now let's head over to Amazon, where we can see it sells for £11.45. So buying for £4.90, selling for £11.45. Let's check it out on Profitl. So first up, sales 32 to 79 units a month. So decent sales on this one, decent reviews as well. So 384 reviews. Profit £2.79, 55% return on investment. Profitl ranking giving it 74 out of 100. There is 12 other FBA sellers on this listing, but because it's selling a bit more, we check their stock level. So as long as they didn't have a huge amount of stock, that's not an issue at all. So those are 5 more of the best websites which you can use to source your Amazon FBA products using the online arbitrage method. As mentioned earlier, I'll link the older videos in the description, so make sure to check them out as well to see some other great sourcing sites. Online arbitrage is a great way of sourcing, but you can also use retail arbitrage as well, so you can actually go into shops, because you'll often find products in there which aren't available online, especially discounted ones, and you can often pick up some great deals, because retail arbitrage is a lot harder. You actually have to go out and try and find products, whereas with online arbitrage you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Now, we hope that video has given you a good understanding of the basics of Amazon FBA. Please don't think Amazon FBA is easy, because it does take a long time to learn, especially sourcing products. Sourcing deals is by far the hardest part about Amazon for a lot of people. It does take time to learn how to do it, where to be looking, and a lot of the products you won't be able to sell because you'll be gated, or they just won't be as good as you hope them to be. There's lots of reasons why a deal is not a good deal, but the key is just stay persistent, keep at it, and you will become successful. But that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.